As you can see, the one good thing about YouTube is that it has channel analytics, so you can see the views, the watch time, subscribers, and you can see that it actually makes money. So let's get down to business. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche. If you've already got a business, great. If you don't have a business, then you need to choose which area you are going to go into. Make sure you choose something you are interested in. Ultimately, you want to be solving someone's problem, so you can show people how to do something, how to find something, or how to fix something. You could review products you're interested in, review movies, other YouTube channels, but I do suggest to choose a topic you're passionate about, because even though you're going to use AI to create the content, you will have more success if you have some excitement about it. Something I'm excited about. If you haven't met already, let me introduce you to your new best friend, ChatGPT. The way I describe ChatGPT to people who haven't heard of it, I say it's like Google and Alexa combined on steroids. ChatGPT is the ultimate marketing sidekick you never knew you needed. It can assist in content creation, market analysis, and customer engagement, really helping you connect with your target audience effectively and achieve your marketing goals. I'm sure some of you are already familiar with ChatGPT. I'm going to show you some specific ways that you can use this tool so you can really use it to its full potential. So this is what ChatGPT looks like. Basically what you do is you type whatever you want in that bottom section there, and then it gives you an output. So where it has this S here, this is what I've put in, and this section here is the output, what ChatGPT gives me. So if you are, say, thinking of a channel name, you want to come up with a cool channel name. This is an example here. I've put in 10 YouTube channel names for a channel about political views by someone named Sarah. So that's what I've put in. One click, 2 seconds later, and this is what it's given me. Sarah's political perspective, insightful Sarah politics, Sarah speaks politics, politically savvy Sarah, and so on. If you want your bio for your YouTube channel, again, you just put it in. I've put write 100 to 120 word bio for a YouTube channel called Sarah Speaks Politics. And this is what it's giving me. Having a read through this, I didn't actually really like it. I thought it was a bit boring, didn't sound like me. So what I did was I just added a little bit extra to my input, and I added make it engaging and funny, and it redid it and come up with this. Hey there, political pals. I'm Sarah, the quirky commentator behind Sarah Speaks Politics. Buckle up for a wild ride through the political circus, etc., etc. So I thought that was a bit more cool and sounded a little bit more like me. For your YouTube banner, you can use ChatGPT to come up with a cool banner for you if that's what you want. So this is what I put in. Write a YouTube banner caption about subscribing to a channel that is about political views. And it comes up with, join the political party, subscribe for laughs, insights, and a front row seat to the craziest show in town. Let's turn politics into a party, because who said democracy can't be fun? Hashtag Sarah Speaks Politics. Love it.